You don't need more money. You need a system. You can make more money and still feel broke. Not broke on paper, broke in options, broke in peace, broke in time. Most people aren't irresponsible, but they're tired. They're doing everything they were told to do. Work hard, save what you can, be good with money. But one unexpected expense can flip the whole month upside down. And even when things are okay, it still feels like you're running just to stay where you are. And honestly, the worst part isn't even the bills. It's the feeling of always reacting, never building. Like your life is just being controlled by emergencies, bank rules, and job schedules. Systems that move slow when life moves fast. Because deep down, most people want the same thing. They want to protect their family. They want to stop feeling behind. They want to stop asking permission to live their own life. Not because they're lazy, but because they're done sacrificing the moments that matter for the system that doesn't love them back. A shift happened for us when we realized something that honestly hurt to admit. No matter how big the paycheck is, it will never buy back your time. You can't Venmo your kid's childhood, you can't refinance missed moments, and you can't someday your way into peace. So we stopped chasing more without structure and started building a system that created stability and options. And let me be real, building isn't easy. There were seasons where everything hit at once, costs went up, income felt unpredictable, decisions felt heavy, and in those moments, the temptation is always the same. Go back, play it safe, shrink the dream, but here's the truth that we have to face. Safety without a system isn't safety. Then life hit us financially, and this is where everything changed. We had liquidity we could access without begging a bank. No waiting, no permission, no we'll see. And while we're even using it, the value kept growing. That's when it clicked. Most people don't need a new budget. They need a new foundation. Here's the breakthrough. When you have liquidity and structure, emergencies stop being disasters. And opportunities, they stop passing you by. You're not just surviving anymore, but you're operating with options. So what does a better world actually look like? It looks like an emergency happening and you staying calm. It looks like being present again, actually enjoying your life. It looks like dignity because you're no longer trapped inside someone else's rules. And you don't need to be rich for that. You don't need more income. You need a system. Here's how we can help you build it. Step 1, a clarity call. Step 2, we build your blueprint. Step 3, we set up your legacy vault. So choose your path. If you already know you want better, take the free legacy assessment. If you feel stuck and want clarity before making decisions, start with our financial foundation plan. The links are in the description below. Stop reacting, start building. Please subscribe for more, watch the next video, and let's build something that actually lasts. Thank you.